Okay, so power rules with negative exponents. These can be done a couple different ways. A lot of times, if I have a negative exponent on the outside, I will deal with that exponent of the exponent first. Other times, I will deal with all of the exponents on the inside first. It's kind of a what feels right for the particular problem. No way is the only way to do it. You do have choices. So I'm going to rewrite the problem just so that I have more space to write. 3b to the negative 5, c to the 4th, and I have a negative 4 out here. Now, because of the negative 4 on the outside, I really do usually, don't hold me on it 100%. A lot of times I will distribute that exponent out here to everything inside first, just to see what I have and then simplify from there. It's not the only way to do it. I'm sure in another problem we're going to do it the opposite way and do the inside stuff first. So I'm getting rid of that. So 3 to the negative 4. So the problem, once I distribute it, it's 3 to the negative 4. B to the negative 4 times negative 5, which is 20. And then c to 4 times negative 4, which is negative 16. Remember, we're distributing that exponent to all the exponents, which means we're multiplying all of those exponents together. Now, once I have no extra exponents looking at it with the problem, I'm going to put everything over 1 because I see negative exponents, and I know things are going to move. All right, so 3 to the negative 4. I'm really thinking, what's 3 to the 4th? That is the same thing as 3 squared times 3 squared, which is 9 times 9, which is 81. But it doesn't want to be on top because of the negative. It wants to be on the bottom. So the 81 is going to go here. B to the 20th is pretty happy where it is, so it's not going to move. C to the negative 16 wants to be on the bottom. C to the 16. So this case, distributed first, then simplified. The inside seemed to work for this one. It wasn't too bad, and it's not the only way to do it. So we have B to the, I'll do it this way, 20th over 81, C to the 16th. All right, hopefully we got it right. Actually, we do have it right. All right, so next question. We're going to do another one. See how ugly is this? This time they have a positive x on it, exponent on the outside. So what I do with these usually and it really depends on the messiness of the problem. C to the 6th over 2. It is not a really messy problem, but I did say I was going to do it in reverse order. So I'm going to deal with everything inside first. Knowing that I have a negative exponent, I have an over 1. So the inside is going to be 2 stays where it is. B to the negative 3 becomes b cubed on the bottom. C to the 6th stays where it is. And then we have that 2 out there. I could write the parentheses twice, or I can distribute that exponent to everything in the parentheses. I'm going to distribute it to my exponents so that 2, do not forget that that gets that exponent as well. And do not forget the bottom. So this is going to become 2 to the 2nd, which is 4. C to the 6 times 2, which is 12. B to the 3 times 2, which is 6. And then I get to type that in, which sometimes is more annoying than anything else. So 4C to the 12, B to the 6th. All right, check that. Clear my drawings. Get my next problem. It should be 1 left. All right, yet again, negative exponents. I tend to like to distribute them first. So doing my problem, I'm going to rewrite my problem to B to the negative 5, C to the 4th. And then I have a negative 4 out here again. This is going to go here, here, and here. Remember, it goes to all the exponents. So this is going to be 2 to the negative 4, B to the 5 times 4, which is 20. C to the, this is exactly the same as the first one, or darn close. Okay, 2 to the 4th is 16. This is the same problem as the very first one. So the 20 stays on the top, and I have 16 on the bottom, c to the 16. All right, so you kind of got cheated on of another problem, but they're not going to be too bad. If you do find troubles, make sure you email me and I will help you with any ugliness that you happen to get in your problems. So, but I don't feel like doing another one. Okay, to the 16th. Anyways, next video.